Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Android 8, 0 or newer, at least 2 GB free, and a signed-in Google account. Once done, open Play Store and search for Google and Google Assistant. Make sure Play Services is up to date. Tap Install or Update. Grant microphone, location, and contacts when prompted so voice features work. You're starting the install now. These permissions let Assistant hear you and access device context, like calendar and location, for accurate results. Once installed, open the Google app and navigate to Settings, then Google Assistant to configure it. You'll set voice match by repeating 3 short phrases so the phone recognizes your voice. This enables hands-free wake words. Make sure Assistant language matches your accent. Adjust personal results and lock screen access so notifications and calendar items show up securely. If you use Samsung's default assistant, set Google as default for the Home or Assist app to ensure Google Assistant launches with the Home button or long press actions. Finish by testing voice activation. Say, "Hey Google," and ask a simple question or set an alarm to confirm functionality. If it doesn't respond, first check microphone permission, and that Google is the default Assist app in Settings Right Arrow Apps, Right Arrow Default Apps. Make sure battery optimization isn't restricting the Google app. If problems persist, clear app cache or reinstall the Google app. Restarting your phone after changes often fixes lingering issues. That single troubleshooting step, reinstall or clear cache, resolves most edge case failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.